In this video, I will show you how you can lock the screen of your iPad 11 A16. Now, if you want to lock the touch of the screen of your iPad, now doing that is very simple. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page, and under the General section, you will find the option for Guided Access. And just tap on Guided Access, and just make sure you enable the toggle for guided access. After you enable the toggle for guided access, then just go to your home screen and open the app in which you want to lock the screen. For example, I will lock the screen in this app. Now after you select where you want to lock the touch of the screen, just grab your iPad, then press the side button 3 times. After you do that, it will ask you if you want to enable guided access. Then just select guided access. And over here, just tap on Session Settings. Now, if you want to disable the touch of the screen, just make sure that the option for touch is disabled. Also disable the option for software keyboard. And you have a lot of options over here. Just disable the options which you don't want to be enabled when guided access is enabled. Like you can disable the functionality of the top button, the volume buttons, and the motion of the iPad. Now after you configure the settings as you like, then just select Start at the upper right corner on the screen. Then just create a pin for guided access. Then just enter your pin one more time to confirm your pin. Now after you do that, you will lock the screen of your iPad 11 A16, just like that. Now to turn off guided access, just press the side button 3 times. Then enter the passcode of guided access, which we have just created. Then at the upper left corner on the screen, just select End. And by doing that, you will disable guided access and you will unlock the screen. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.